buat otok-otok. Aku tahu dia nak daun pisang. Simpan. Petang nanti tak, petang tebang masuk dalam dulu. Dia dah berabungi kerja taruh balik.
Daun pisang.
Aku nak sembunyikan petang-petang.
Daun pisang.
Ada perampok nak ambil. Ambil yang pecah-pecah kat bawah tu.
Yang lain pun tak mencuri lah.
Jangan.
Pokok nak simpan masuk.
Kau kat sana tu kau ambil.
Yang ni tak boleh.
Tak boleh.
Yang tu boleh dimutakkan.
Nak buat piasan.
Nak ambil daun pisang ni mulut dia bukan main lagi.
Aku nak ambil tak sampai hati. Kau suka-suka nak buat botol-botol lah apa. Dah kasih satu keping aja. Cukup sampai di sini.
Masak apa? Masak my style. Oh wow. Alamak. Apa khabar? How is everybody? Saya harap anda semua sihat. Jangan tengok baju saya, tengok resepi saya, okay? Don't see what I'm wearing, but you just see my recipe. Gitu. Okay. So, today akan dekat talk shorter, okay? Dalam semua percakapan saya akan buat pendek sekali. Kerana apa? Video ni mungkin panjang and maybe it's a bit long. Today I'm gonna make one of the oldest recipe that I done before. Satu recipe yang saya dah buat lama dulu, tapi saya akan bikin lagi sekali one more time for all of new viewers, okay? Yang mana kat YouTube, please subscribe Yang mana kat YouTube awak boleh subscribe, awak boleh komen kat situ, okay? Apa-apa awak nak komen, good morning, good afternoon, good evening pun boleh, alright? So today we're gonna make botok ikan ayam. This botok is a banana wrap fish, today I'm gonna use a silver jacket fish, which is contains a lot of meat, yang banyak isi, which is nice to eat as well. And so I only use with all the leaves that I have. Saya menggunakan daun yang saya ada sahaja. It consists of 11 types of leaf. 11 macam daun untuk buat botok-botok, tapi tak ada mayo. Okay, so come along with me and I show you how to make botok-botok ikan or fish botok-botok. Okay, screenshot. Awak boleh foto ambil foto, senang aja. This one is the same as making rendang sama nak buat rendang. 3 large onions, 3 ulas bawang besar, 3 sticks of lemongrass because it's very thin. If you have a big one, you can use 2 Kalau besar, awak pakai 2 lah serai ni Kalau kecil, awak pakai 3. So serai masuk dalam ni, bawah masuk dalam blender. Put inside the blender like easy Same ingredients with the rendang, okay? 1 inch of galangal, 1 inci lengkuas, 2 inch of ginger, 2 inci halia, 2 inch of turmeric kunyit hidup, fresh turmeric, 2 inch, and 4 clove of garlic, 4 ulas bawang putih, sedikit air, a little bit of water, and then we blend. Nak kita blend senang aja. And then the rest of the barang-barang is 3 tablespoon of fish curry powder, 3 sudu makan serbuk kari ikan, dan juga 1 sudu teh instant asam jawa asam jawa. Okay, if you don't have instant, you just take out the seed lah. It's the same thing, 1 teaspoon dan juga santan 1 kotak, santan kecil 1 kotak, okay? 1 small box of coconut cream. Apa lagi? Terus kita langsung ke pengisaran. Okay, sampai halus until it's fine, and then straight away we put onto wok with oil dengan minyak dan kuali yang panas. Put all inside. A bit of salt, sedikit garam. We saute until the color change. Kita tumis sehingga warna dia berubah. Okay, you see the water dries up already. Air dia dah kurang No more water. We can put in the curry powder. Masukkan serbuk kari. Now this will change the whole color. Dia akan berubahkan warna ni semuanya Jadi the color will change to orangey from yellow because of turmeric kan. Ada kunyit, dia kuning. Sekarang kita dah taruh serbuk kari tu, dia jadi orange Oyen. Your oyen is here, okay? Okay, I too much of water. Saya taruh air sedikit saja Put just air sedikit saja saya taruh. I only pour a little bit of water and that's it Kita masak sampai sedap. This one no need to overcook because we're gonna steam again so it's a lot of process. So tak payah nak sampai dia pecah minyak pun. Tapi kalau sikit ni dia pecah minyak cepat lah. If just a bit like this, the oil will separate very quickly. See? Sebab kari dia sikit saja because the curry powder is very little. So if you use a little bit extra oil, you can store in your fridge for slightly a little bit longer lah. Don't keep so long Okay, from here we put in the asam paste. Kita masukkan asam daun ni. Now in this cooking you need sugar. Awak perlukan gula. Saya taruh satu kita makan. Just 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of ikan bilis stock ikan bilis. Just cook a little bit more, masakkan lagi sikit. And last but not least, the santan, coconut cream. I use about half a box first Saya ukur dalam setengah kotak dulu Now this paste has to be thick Dia punya paste ni nak kena pekat jadi tak boleh berair sangat. Cannot be so watery because then how you going to wrap it gitu. Banana leaf kan macam mana buat nak bungkuskan dengan daun pisang. Memang cantik juga the colour. I didn't add any water, saya dah tak taruh air lagi gitu. Make sure your salt tasty Awak punya garam awak dah tambah. Awak dah try. Have you try a little bit on your finger whether the salts are all enough. Nampak cantik dia. Boleh try lah. Very good. Okay, I can put a little bit more. No need to waste lah. Tak payah buang lah. Okay, jangan buang-buang, don't waste lah. Also can, up to you. In this cooking, you don't have to be on an exact measurement Awak tak payah ukur dengan lengkap ni Masakkan macam begitu. Okay. Now let it infuse. Biarkan dia sebati dengan santan dia for few minutes and then we are done. Okay, santan dia pun dah naik ni sekali The coconut cream has already infused to the paste, to the sambal. And you can see the colour has changed. Dia berubah warna ni, maknanya dah siap lah. That means it's ready. Okay, so we can put it off. Kita akan sejukkan. So we have boiling water. Air yang mendidih. So we take this banana leaf. What we do, we just put inside. Let it through. Don't cook so long jangan lama-lama Just go through ni. That's it. Itu saja. Okay, saya ada daun. I will only use the leaf that I have daun yang saya ada dan dapat di depan mata. Okay, saya akan menggunakan daun kunyit. Patutnya kita boleh hiris We can slice this turmeric leaf. Tapi saya tak slice lah. Saya cuma robek-robek sikit. I just tear lah little bit, okay, because later want to eat so difficult lah, nanti nak makan susah. Okay, saya ada daun kunyit, turmeric leaf, and then I have a bit of lime leaf, which is kaffir leaf, daun limau, okay, and then I have laksa leaf, daun kesum. Okay, originally got 11 types of leaf Original dia ada daun 11 macam, okay, but this is the one that I only can get in my house and also in the market and around my house area. Daun cekur, this is cekur leaf as you can see. Okay, daun cekur if you have lah, don't have never mind. Kalau tak ada tak apa. This cekur leaf is very popular in the kampung days and it's not easy to find. It's very hard to breed. Dia susah nak tumbuh, tapi kalau dia dah tumbuh, once it's grow it will easy to grow. Alright, so I'm gonna use silver jacket ataupun ikan ayam. This silver jacket only got this one thin bone inside, which is easier to eat, and I'll place it on top of this banana leaf. Alright, so after that I have the paste yang kita telah siap tadi. Okay, we already make earlier, so we're going to Dia ada minyak-minyak ni, saya tarik sikit all the oil and everything. So I'm going to just put on top of the fish. Because kita buat home cooking ni, when we do home cooking, we can put extra more lah. Kita boleh taruh lebih sikit, no problem, alright. So and then after that kita akan bungkus dia. Okay. And then use a toothpick, menggunakan cucuk lidi, and plug it left and right. Okay. Now I cannot repeat this one again because you know why? Saya tak ada cukup space kat dalam video ni, mengambil masa. So what you can do, you can rewind awak boleh rewind kembali. You don't have to pick so, you don't have to pack so beautifully lah, as long as it's wrapped up with this banana leaf will do lah. Asalkan dia dah bungkus dengan daun pisang ni, dah okay. Alright, there we go. Okay. So we have a steamer, a makeshift steamer. Steamer yang dibuat pakai menggunakan kuali saja, okay? And then we put in this whole entire plate. Alamak, berat dah tangan saya kejap So we steam it for 15 minutes. Kita steam selama 15 minit, okay? Okay, after 15 minutes, selepas 15 minit, okay, switch on. Tu dia. Nampak? Botok-botok of the world. Tu dia, botok-botok ikan. My style. Oh, wow. Alamak. So, let's unbox. Kita buka panas ni. Still hot siu-siu. Nampak? Oh, wow. Alamak. Tu dia. Okay. Botok-botok ikan ataupun botok-botok ikan ayam lah, ikan ayam, alright. So there we go, fish botok-botok. Oh wow, alamak. Selamat kembali kepada sesi Chicken Menyekik, makan eating session time. Alamak, tu dia botok-botok ikan. This is fish botok-botok, okay. The interpretation of botok-botok, I'm not sure, but anything got to do with banana leaf, okay. Dia punya maksud botok-botok tu, kalau siapa-siapa tahu, sila komenkan kat situ. Those who knows what's the meaning of botok-botok, please help me comment inside there, okay. Nobody's perfect, kita bukan dia tahu semuanya, okay. Kita tengok makan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Memang power. Pasal apa menggunakan ikan ayam using this silver jacket fish is all meat. Semua adalah nampak sekejap semua adalah isi saja nampak. The sambal tak bismillah. The sambal paste is so delicious. I'm telling you, memang sedap. Makan macam gini dengan nasi panas-panas tidak sedap. Okay, now the daun-daun, now the leaf I didn't koyak-koyakkan. Saya tak koyak-koyakkan sebab apa? Jadi saya senang nak pilih-pilih ni semua so that I can it's easily for me to pick and choose nampak. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ini baru bismillah. Kadang-kadang sometimes like that lah, what to do. Sedap. Meletup. Kan dah keluar magic word. Kalau dah keluar meletup, means explode. Ikan ayam ni senang. This is very easy. This silver jacket. The fish is already you know, in the market they sell the fish dekat pasar. Ikan ni dia kalau putih, it's white in color. There's no head. Every fishmonger will cut off the head. I don't know why. Okay, but makes it easier to cook lah. Membuatkan dia senang to masak Memang power. Dia punya daun kesum. Gila. Makan daun kesum ni pun sedap. Setiap bau wangi. So today sesi Chicken Menyekik cannot talk so much. Tak boleh cakap banyak-banyak sebab apa? Takut video ni melarut panjang. I'm afraid that this video might last quite a long time. So itulah dia. Apa yang kita boleh dapat, itulah kita boleh pakai. Okay. Use only what you have. Don't have, don't force yourself. Still can make. Masih boleh buat. Ada daun, tak ada daun pun boleh buat. Okay. Even only you have one type of leaf, walaupun awak ada satu macam daun pun boleh buat. But must have the banana leaf lah, to wrap lah Mesti nak ada daun pisang. Awak pergi kat kebun-kebun kat luar, kat mana, awak boleh potong. But now the banana leaf, daun pisang ni ada jual kat supermarket kat Sheng Siong. Sheng Siong should have, NTUC. Okay. Memang sedap. This fish is very easy, simple to eat, and very meaty. The Chinese call this chicken meat. Chicken meat tu isi ayam Kalau orang Cina kata chicken meat fish, because the meat is like chicken. This fish also you can educate your children to eat lah, because it's like chicken. Dia macam ayam tau. Sebab tu ikan ayam. It's like chicken So they think it's chicken. You tell them chicken, eat lah. No bones. Tulang dia very less. Tulang dia, the bone is only like that. You see? You can see now. Center, the bone is only center like that. Belakang dia all meat. Semua isi Nampak? It's easier to eat. Silver jacket. You don't have silver jacket, you wear black jacket. Okay, tak ada ikan silver jacket, you can use ikan kembung, mackerel, selai and all that. Basically big fish. Okay, ikan besar. Okay, let me enjoy this video and cut shorter. I hope to see you again on Masak Apa Masak My Style. #mom. Bye, jumpa lagi. Inilah sedap rempah dia. The rempah is very sedap You know the leaf saya nyonyot. Wow.